Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how you can use the SDK Magic Tool to prepare and export the document status from Excel to Primavera. This will be the video number 26 in this group of videos, and we will use the SQLite database in this video. You can also use Oracle database or SQL Server when you select any of them. From the main menu, select dictionary, and from the import menu, search for the document status and import the current items in the database. As you see, we have 7 items in the database. When we go to Primavera to check these results from admin categories, and open the document status, as you see we have the same results in Primavera. Let us learn how you can use the SDK Magic Tool to modify these document status and export them again to Primavera. Let us first copy these items, and now we will remove all of these items from the database in order to know how you can delete these items. When we change this N to Y, all of these items will be deleted from the database. From the export menu, search for document status and export these updates to Primavera. As you see, now we have these updates in Primavera. Let us import them again. As you see, we have now no document categories in the database, but we have the table format that we should fill in to export these items to Primavera. Let us go to Primavera to check these results. From File, Refresh Data, and open Admin Categories. Document status, as you see, we have now no document status in the database. Let us learn how to export this document status code again to Primavera. Let us copy these items. Okay, and then we will paste them in this table. All we need to export these items to Primavera is to remove these numbers, because these numbers will be set by the SDK Magic Tool, and all of these items will be considered as new items in the database. This column has the numbers that Primavera will use to display these items. This is the display order in Primavera. Let us use this order from 1 to 7. This will be the first item in Primavera, and this will be the second item, and so on. Let us export these items again to Primavera from this option. Now we have these items in Primavera. It's very fast when you use the SDK Magic Tool. Let us import them again. Now all of these items have numbers in the database. Let us go to Primavera to check these updates. From File, open Refresh Data, and then Admin Categories, Document Status. As you see, we have now the same items in Primavera. This was how you can use the SDK Magic Tool to remove the document status items and then export new items to the database. You can later modify any of these items and export these updates to Primavera. For example, if we would like to add this items, SDK Magic Tool, and this will be number 8. Let us export these updates. Now we have these updates in Primavera. It's very flexible when you use the SDK Magic Tool. Import these items again. Now we have this new item in the database. Let us go to Primavera, refresh data, and then from admin categories, document status, we have now this item SDK Magic Tool in the database. This was how you can use the SDK Magic Tool to prepare and export the document status codes in Excel and send them to Primavera. As you see, it's very fast, very accurate, and also very flexible when you use the SDK Magic Tool to export Primavera items to the database. Thank you and goodbye.